Alrighty, so we are just about to hit the halfway mark, and yes, I am sitting inside the car because I had to get out the back there and I couldn't reach because of the bull bar adds an extra huge amount of distance. So I just wanted to give you an update. So yeah, down there I had to get out the power steering and the tensioner and everything so I could get the cover off. I already ripped off the timing gear. I should have taken a video. I'm sorry. I'll show you the new stuff when it goes back on. It looks exactly the same anyway. And here is what I wanted to show you about this split head. So obviously this alloy piece, there's the head and there's the block cast iron. And here I've taken out the retainers, the retainer bolts, and what I had to do out the back here, that's the cam timing, and I had to get those bolts, one on each side from here. And to give you a reference on how much space I had to work with, that's one finger width now that it's out, so not an abundance of space, and it's all seized in quite nicely because of exhaust heat and everything, so good fun. So now I've already popped it with the crowbar just to break open the silicone to show you. Top half of the head out. So once I get that out, obviously with two hands, not filming it with my phone in my other hand. So once that's out, I'll pull the camshafts out, and then see, those moves all the valves, there's all the air and fuel comes from. Yeah, so then I'll put all that stuff out, undo the head bolts that are hiding in underneath the cam on both sides, and then yeah, pull the bottom half off and show you what it looks like inside.